Okay, so there's a flat side and a round side. If you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not. This is more of a round side and this side is more of a flat side. Same as this one, flat on this side and round on this side.
I don't get it.
Feel it?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You won't understand unless you feel it. Just touch it, okay? So I gotta figure out. So this one is like that. So the flat side goes out on this side and probably out on that side. Won't know until I get on that side. But I'm gonna put this in there and take a gander at it. It's gonna be hard because I gotta hold that up and hold the gasket also. Where did I put those? Right here. Because these are not like the old school ones where you can just, there's a slot in them and you put the bolts in, the headers, and then drop the gasket in. Not that style anymore, I guess. So I'm gonna reuse my old hardware because they sent the wrong bolt size. So other than that, we'll see how the rest of the install goes. Got to move a bunch of wires and hoses and all kinds of stuff. Oh, damn it. There's a lot of cursing. Just mechanic stuff. Just normal stuff. You guys work on cars, you know what I'm talking about. Was it this way? Oh man, I messed up already. Flip it.
Okay. Across the river, there's a woman I know. Sometimes I go there and I knock on the door. I said, baby, babe.
Oh, woo! Just like that. Look at that. Now it's gotta make, now I just gotta make sure all these hoses and wires and everything are all zip tied up out of the way so they don't get melted. Now it's gonna be a lot hotter than because these ones have heat shields on them, the factory ones. So bear with me.
Baby, let's waste some time. If you ain't got nothing better to do, let's wait.
That's not the hole.
No, it's the wrong one. Let's go tighten that one up and see if I did it right or not.
So often there's a girl's night out in the wee hours. She comes.
I feel like a high schooler. All right, that's only one side. I just wanted to. I didn't start it with without the exhaust manifolds. But we're gonna do the other side right now. We just got done with this side. It was a fight. I had to have my wife come in between my legs and run a long extension, and you guys didn't want to see that. But anyway, I'm gonna do the other side, fire it up, see how it sounds again, see if it makes a difference, and then take the rest of the exhaust off, and we're gonna go cruise the Mainer that loud.
I don't know about that. Just kidding.
But anyway, I feel like a high school kid every time I cut my mufflers off or do anything with mufflers. Oh, I should put that screw back in there. But anyway, that's besides the point. Let me do the other side real quick. Now it's nice and hot. I shouldn't have done that, but here we go. Hang tight. Almost there. I didn't even get a video, but I got it out. I'm going back in with the new, not the old, because the old one's out already on the table over there. But now I'm just torquing the bolts with my torque wrench. And that one was tricky back there. Gonna have to do this one. Snap-on SIMFM13 part number, and Pittsburgh. That's usually Harbor Freight. Ratchet. It's not even mine. It's Rory's, because I lost mine. Actually, I did not lose mine. I had a real nice snap-on 100-year anniversary ratchet, and it was a long one. And a bunch of people came to town. I'm not gonna say who, but a lot of people came in town. They're all hanging out at the shop, and they were using tools, and they were getting everybody's tools all mixed up, me, Mike's, and Rory's. And since then I never found it. So it's black and red, 100-year anniversary ratchet. If you guys ended up with one and it's not yours, send it back to me. I'm really sad and emotional about it because it was really expensive. But it was actually free because I bought a hat. And it came with the ratchet.
You bought the hat for your wife and got the ratchet.
I bought the hat for my wife and I got the ratchet for free. So it's a really expensive hat, okay?
That's always the story.
She's got so much Snap-on apparel. Oh, I used to. I don't do that anymore. I need to. I need to. Anyway, here we go. We'll go back together.
I have so many hats.
She's got hats. Oh, she even has Milwaukee stuff. Milwaukee hats,
Yeah.
Milwaukee stuff.
Milwaukee flashlight, Snap-on bottle opener.
Yeah. Barbecue set.
Snap-on steak knives, Snap-on
Yeah, they're all like
glass.
wrenches.
Yeah, drinking glasses.
She doesn't even use them. I use them. It's like, I'm gonna have a beer out of this big old mug.
No, we got the smaller glasses too.
Oh, I don't drink that whiskey stuff. That's too hardcore. I don't know how people can do that. They drink the whiskey with like cigars, like the real man. I'm gonna try that one day.
I don't have cigars, but I do like whiskey.
She's a whiskey girl. It's my whiskey girl. She gets straight to the point. All right, now you want to hear it with both headers? I'm gonna fire it up again.
Oh my goodness. This is gonna be so loud. loves it.
Anyway, now it's really hot. I'm gonna put the gaskets on the rest of the pipe. So stay tuned. We're almost there. Oh, dipstick.
Yeah, behind you.
Ooh, a bunch of oil everywhere. Forgot to put this back in. Zato. Da, 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 da. Well, I think it was this one. Alright, we got it all back together. I'm gonna fire it up. See how it sounds. Alright, nice and quiet. Nice and quiet.
Sounds like it.
Yeah, she's leaking. So I didn't understand this side because it has the donut. Then they set the flat washer or flat gasket. So I think I gotta put the donut and the gasket together.
Stop smoking.
Oh yeah, all right, all that oil blown on there.
Yeah.
Sounds more crisp. Like it's got some popping to it. But anyway, it's smoking from when I fired up earlier with no dipstick in it, and it was just blowing oil everywhere. But anyway, so I'm gonna raise it back up, pull this side back apart, and put the donut and the flat. Let me grab it. The donut and this. I'm guessing that's how it goes. I don't know. I should have read up a little bit more about it. I thought it was like 100% bolt in. Don't need no other modificados or nothing. But it fought me the whole time. If you guys don't have lift and you're laying on your back, I apologize because that sucks. That's a crappy day right there. Good thing I got a lift. Thanks to Rory. He's got a lift. I borrow from him. But anyway, here's taking it back apart and putting this gasket in there and see how it does. But it's leaking. So hang tight. Got my wife, the camera lady. Anyway, got it all back together. So I did run the gasket and the donut on there. And this side was just the gasket. This one fell off. So, because this one's supposed to be like the original seal for that one. But it just came out, so whatever. So there it is. Just straight pipe. Cats. So next thing I'm gonna do is probably cut it here and there, put a straight piece in there. Same thing here, cut here, cut there, add a straight piece there, and then I'll put a muffler on it and it'll help it quiet it down. That's not bad. It sounds good right there. So I'm gonna lower it and I'll give you a before and after. So there's the before and after. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good night and see you guys tomorrow. Say bye.
Bye.